Hey guys, today in this video I'm going to review polymarket.com website. You should go with this website or not, and what are the problems you are going to face if you are going to invest any money in on this website, and what are the problems you are going to face if you are going to invest any money on this website. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, I have made lots of research on this website, and I have tested all the websites which are providing reviews on this website, and our all conclusion says it's not look like a good website, because as you can see there is a I have chosen lots of reviews, and there is some negative reviews about this website. There's, as you can see over here, you can read this is a one negative review, and one more negative review is over there, and as you can see over there, there is one more negative review about this website. So that means there is a little bit problem with this website. But my suggestion is only this: before making any purchase, before making any investment, you should test this website only on few dollars. Okay, but my suggestion is only this: you should not go with this website. Save your hard-earned money, because your money is very important for you. And if we talk about, if anyone is claiming that you will get high profits, or you can say you will make high money, and by using only some very little bit amount of work and any type of, you can say, in a short time you will get lots of commission, that means it's also a very, you can say, very positive sign of scam. That means you can't get achievement within a short time or without any hard, you can say, hard work. Okay, so my suggestion is only this: save your hard-earned money and don't invest anyone in these type of websites. Okay, so I'm going to end this video over here. If you like this video, please hit a like button, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.